Find international viewpoints on important issues affecting the modern world with Global Issues, Gale in Context, provided by the Clovis Community College Library. To access the Global Issues database, go to the Library page and select the Articles Research Databases link. Once you are on the Research Databases page, find and select the link to Global Issues, Gale in Context. To use this resource off-campus, log in using the same credentials that you use for Canvas or your school email. One way to begin a search in Global Issues is to use the database's main search box. Notice that you can also search this database and opposing viewpoints, Gale in Context, simultaneously. In the search box, enter a word or a short phrase that describes your topic. The database should begin offering search suggestions. Suggestions in bold indicate that a helpful topic page exists on that issue. And if you haven't already, it's a good idea to think of the different words and phrases that can be used to express your topic. Finding related concepts can also help your search. Databases may often use other terms and phrases, most often broader ones, to describe the same issue. Brainstorming these terms can help you choose a global issues topic that most closely matches your research topic. Global Issues also has a Browse Map feature that can be selected from the main toolbar. Choose a country on the map or choose one from the drop-down menu to get topics related to that country. You can also get a list of all topics in the database and then choose those that are most closely related to your research topic. Click on the Browse Issues link in the main toolbar, and the following page displays all of the issues available for research. A topic category drop-down menu lets you choose a specific category of topics for easier browsing. To continue your research from this page, choose a topic to explore. Topic pages in Global Issues begin with an overview to help you become more familiar with the issue at hand. Following this overview is an area with links to the different information sources on this topic, along with the number of sources available in each category. Depending on the topic, sources may include viewpoint essays, which present different sides of an issue, academic journal articles, magazine and news articles, statistics, and more. The remainder of this page lists featured information sources. And lastly, links are provided to other topics you may be interested in researching based on the current issue. Select an information source type to continue your research. A page then displays all items of that source type, sorted by relevance. Select the title to retrieve the full source. But before selecting an item, you may want to explore the search filters to narrow down the list of sources. This is especially important if you have an overwhelming number of items to choose from. Filters include selecting a range of publication dates, a document type, or an additional subject. You may also want to try the Search Within box. Enter a word or short phrase that you require your sources to have in the text. Select an item to explore the full source. After examining your source, the page also lists similar items and subjects. Hyperlinked subjects within the text of a source provide even more related items. At the top of a source page are a number of useful database tools. Select Send To save this information source to a Google Drive, OneDrive account, or email. Click Download to begin a PDF download of the item. Get Link provides you with the permanent link to the item, because like most databases, the web address in the address bar cannot be copied and saved to go back to a specific page. Cite provides you with a citation in different styles. Citations are auto-generated, So it is recommended that students consult the accuracy of a citation with one of the resources on the library's How to Cite page. Or you may be interested in exporting a citation to a Noodle Tools account, which you have free access to through our library. If you need help with this resource or any other library resource, please feel free to contact the library.